Good morning, children. Today we are going to write cursive handwriting. We will write alphabets in cursive handwriting from A to Z. For writing cursive handwriting, you need to do your pencil sharpen. We will make margins with red color pencil. We need to make 4 margins. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Also we will write the date. The date is 23 August and the year is 20. So now we will start writing the heading. Touch the red line and write C. Then U R S I V E. Cursive hand H A. Your A should touch the blue line. N D W R I T I N G. Cursive handwriting from A to Z. Now we will start writing the first alphabet A. We have to start from the blue line, touch the red line and then come down and write the alphabet A. Capital A and then the small a. Now we will start writing the next alphabet is B. We have to touch the lines and write B. Touch the lines and write. After B is C. Now the small c. Next is D. After D is E. After E is F. Touch the line, the red line, the blue line, small f. Next alphabet is G. We will start writing G. Now the small g. Touch the line over here on both the ends of G. Next is H. H, small h. After H is I. We will start from the middle blue line. I. Next is J. Same like I. We will go up, but we will come down and touch the red line. And then go and touch again the blue line. Now small j. Make a dot. Small j. Next is K. K. Now small k. Next is L. Now small l. Please touch the lines and write neatly. After L, write M. Go up, touch the red line and come down and touch the blue line. Again go up, touch the red line, come down. M. Capital M, then small m. Next is N. Capital N. Same like M, but you have to make only one time and then go up and make a turn. N. Now small n. After N is O. You will make a circle and turn it. Now you will start from here, same like C. Then make a round and then bring it out. O. Next is P. P. Small p. P. Next is Q. You will write a circle and from down you will make a Q. Small q. Next is R. Now small r. Next is S. Small s. T. Then is U. Start from the blue line, make a curve and then stop. Capital U, small u. After U is V. Start from the blue line, the small v. Next is W. Make a curve, then go touch the red line, then make a curve, touch the red line. W. Small w. Next is X. Start from the blue line, the small X. After X is Y. Start from the red line, small y. Start from the blue line for Z. And touch again the next blue line, then red line and touch the blue line. Same like the capital, make the small Z. I hope you like my video. Please subscribe. Thank you.